employees. We have team coverage tonight. This evening, we are learning more about the state's plans to reopen Oregon. As KEZI 9 News reporter Michael Severin explains, it will be done in phases, but when it starts is all up to the virus. Michael.
China public health officials in Lane County say there's good reason to believe that we've reached the plateau of COVID-19 cases. They say we're averaging 1 case a day and more people are being tested. But still, when it comes to reopening the state, it's still wait and see. In a draft presentation, state leaders say phase 1 of reopening will first require a number of conditions, including more testing and a downward trend of positive cases for 2 weeks. During phase 1, restaurants could go back to doing sit-down dining while following strict guidelines. J.C. Lee is the owner of Downtown Noodle Bowl. He says he's cautious about opening back up.
We don't want this stage 1 to go on and then all of a sudden there's another outbreak and then there's another healing process. So we just want, of course, the right decision is going to be made.
State leaders say phase 2 of reopening won't happen until 2 weeks after phase 1 unless we see a spike of cases. That would reopen schools. Phase 3 would bring back mass gatherings. In China, under these draft plans, gyms won't open until phase 2, and that's different from what the federal government is recommending. Coming up on the next hour of KEZI 9 News at 5, hear from one gym manager who says they should be able to reopen based on their size. Reporting live in Eugene, I'm Michael Severin, KEZI 9 News.